In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sound like a fictional character using ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. ElevenLabs Voice Design is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to craft realistic AI-generated voices that perfectly match your fictional characters. Whether you're working on a game, a movie, or any creative project, having a distinct voice for your characters can add so much depth and authenticity to your work. To get started, the first step is to log in to your ElevenLabs account. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to create. Just follow the prompts on their website. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the voice library. This is where the magic begins. Now, take a moment to browse through the various base voices they offer. Each one has its own unique flavor and characteristics. Choose a voice that you feel resonates with your character's profile. Think about their personality, age, and background. For instance, if you're creating a wise old wizard, you might opt for a deeper, more gravelly voice. If your character is a spunky teenager, look for something youthful and energetic. Once you've selected a base voice, it's time to get into the fun part, voice design. ElevenLabs allows you to tweak various parameters like pitch, speed, and emotional tone. This means that you can really fine-tune the voice to ensure it aligns with your character's personality. Let's say your character is upbeat and cheerful. You'll want to increase the pitch and speed to match that energetic vibe. On the flip side, if your character has a more serious or somber demeanor, you might want to lower the pitch and slow things down a bit. You can get as creative as you want here. Now, if your project is a multilingual game or story, you're in luck. ElevenLabs has a multilingual text-to-speech feature that allows you to create consistent character voices across different languages. This means your character can have the same distinct feel, whether they're speaking English, Spanish, or any other language you choose. It's a fantastic way to expand your audience and make your content more accessible. And here's where things get even more exciting. ElevenLabs provides an API that you can use to integrate these voices directly into your game or project. This streamlines your development process significantly. Instead of having to worry about audio later on, you can embed the voice right into your project as you go, making your workflow much more efficient. One of the great benefits of using ElevenLabs is that speech can be edited just like text. So, if you make script changes late in the game, you won't need to start from scratch with your audio. Just jump back into the voice design, tweak a few settings if needed, and voila! You've updated your character's voice without all that hassle of re-recording everything. In conclusion, ElevenLabs Voice Design is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to create compelling, fictional character voices. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your storytelling and bring your characters to life in a whole new way. So go ahead, try it out, and unleash your creativity. And remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Happy voice designing!